I'm excited to introduce this 1984 Beechcraft P Baron, capable of flying with pressurization up to 25,000 feet. The fuel capacity is enormous. You can carry 190 gallons of usable fuel in this airplane. So you got the altitude capability, you've got the range capability. With a useful load of over 1,700 pounds, you can fly this plane high, far, and fast. The engines were recently overhauled by Western Skyways. It's got practically 0 hours since major overhaul. And the panel is to die for. It's got the latest Garmin technology with the Garmin G500 TXi 12-inch display, in addition to 2 GT and 750 GPS nav comm units. In addition to that, it has the GI 275 standby instrument, the G500 TXi, the small version, the 7-inch in portrait mode for co-pilot instruments, Garmin control unit for easier control, and the Garmin GFC 600 autopilot. And this airplane has an executive interior with 6 seats, a fold-out table, and some baggage space to spare. If you live in Texas, you might appreciate the air conditioning as much as I do. This airplane has everything. This is probably the nicest P Baron on the planet. Would you rather be flying with the public and wishing you had a first class seat, or would you rather buy first class with this 1984 Beechcraft P Baron? Check us out at flyhba.com.